In this video, we are going to see how we can recover the deleted photos or post on Facebook. So let's say we have just entered this post now along with the photos that we uploaded from our PC. Let's say that we clicked on the three dots and we accidentally moved it to the trash. It will show us that it will be kept in the trash for 30 days so that you can still recover it. But if we click on move, how do we access this area? Let's see. So to locate and restore this, all we have to do is just click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon. Click on that, click on settings and privacy, and click on settings again. So on the left hand side, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see your activity, and under that you have the activity log. Click on that, which will take you to this section. We have a couple of options here, but on the left hand side in the corner at the bottom, you can see this trash option. Click on that and you can see your picture, whatever post you have added. You have added a new photo. Let's select this and you want to click on this three dots to restore this to the profile, move to archive, or delete it permanently. So we click on restore from the top as well. We can do that and that is very helpful in restoring the multiple pictures. Click on restore again, and it will be as if it was never deleted. If we head over to our profile, you can see the same post shown back. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.